back. Episode 2. And as you can see, Stephanie is dressed very strangely. Much like a celebrity we all know. No, not Lady Gaga. Katy Perry. And that is who we are going to be talking about this time. Sorta. More like one of her songs. I'm, I'm sure by now you've all heard her song Peacock. And we all know what it's about. And we think it's kind of disturbing. Especially when little kids look up to her. What do you think, Steffi?
I never looked up to her as a little kid. I don't know.
She wasn't big when we were little.
Yeah, I know.
But, I don't know, I just think it's kind of weird. You know?
Yeah.
Anyway, back to our topic, because nobody commented, so we had to come up with our own.
Oh my gosh, so much work.
So, anyway, we were listening to it earlier, and I'm sure you all heard it, but we're going to play it at the end anyway for you guys. It's a good song. It's just, like, disturbing in a way. Yeah.
I've never listened to it.
You've never listened to it?
Nope.
Stephanie's going to hear it for the first time, too! But anyway, it's kind of like...
It's a penguin. No, the shark. Look at the shark.
We're so glad you guys came back for episode 2.
Oh my god, I need a glass of water.
Go away. Okay, I like this hat.
My hat.
So our topic, I guess, failed. But that's okay because none of you gave us one. No.
Oh, someone's here.
That's wonderful. Anyway, I'm getting a puppy for all you puppy lovers, which I'm hoping is most of you. If not, I like cats too.
Yeah, we just went to the shelter.
We did, and we saw a bunch of really cute dogs. In fact, I have pictures of them. And kitties. There were lots of kitties. We didn't get a chance to look at the bunnies and stuff, though. No, I don't want to go away from Peacock. We have a video, though. But we're going to show you a picture of a kitty. See, look. This is one of the kitties. You can't really see it, but you kind of can. It's cute either way. Well, anyway, we're glad you all liked episode 1 because we loved it. It's fun for us too. So it's pretty cool. We had a sleepover last night, as you all know, based on the fact that you watched our first one. And what did we do last night?
90s shows.
That's right. We were watching Nickelodeon's 90s throwback.
And Phineas and Ferb.
Phineas and Ferb. Oh, I love Phineas and Ferb.
Omegle.
Oh, okay. Omegle. Kind of scary. And that's actually what led us to our Katy Perry theme with her song.
Yeah.
Because, as you all know what it is about, we saw quite a lot of them on Omegle. In fact, a bird was even killed.
Yeah.
Not for making this video, and I in no way promote killing animals. I love animals. So please don't take it out. Stephanie loves animals too. We promise. So for any of you who are sticking around long enough and would actually like to see an episode 3, please like it and view it and everything. We honestly, 20 viewers is more than we ever thought we'd even have.
We're number 1.
We are number 1.
We're number 1.
Oh, and for all you viewers who used to watch Miley and Mandy, or whatever it was, Miley Cyrus's little show that she did, this one's better. Number 1, because it's not Miley Cyrus. Number 2, because, well, we're cooler than her. Please?
Don't take my hand.
Oh, I'll take your
Can I put the bubble wrap?
No! We are at a different house tonight, so there's different things around us.
It's her house.
It's my house, but none of you need to know where that is.
Yeah.
In fact, it is in the middle of nowhere.
It's right near my house. It's right near my house.
Which is also in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
But that's great.
Surprising we have internet service, huh?
Yeah, totally. We found out that Italy has YouTube last night.
Yeah.
Because we asked some guy if there was YouTube in Italy so he could watch our video, and he said no. And then at the end he was like, wait, actually, yeah, we do. He lied. And I think you're taking the whole Katy Perry a little far. Now you kind of look like your cat. Kitty Purry.
Kitty Purry.
I think that's really cute, right? I do want to give a shout out to everybody though.
You know, I need a shower.
What are you telling the world this for?
I don't know.
I actually really want to give a huge shout out to all of you. I know I've done this a couple times this time, but I really do. I think you guys, I don't even know you, but you guys seem pretty awesome. You didn't even comment. But seriously, could you comment this time?
Yeah.
Because topics just don't work for us. And we're not very good at being random.
Yeah, no, we don't have imaginations.
I mean, we do.
Yeah.
They're just not very good.
Yeah.
So if you could please give us suggestions, you can even write to us on Facebook. I'm going to make a like page. Just go to the
You're gonna make a like page?
I am. I'm gonna make a Stephanie and Aria show like page. And everybody who watches it should like it, and you can tell us whatever you want there because I guarantee you most of you have Facebook. Alrighty. So I guess this would be goodbye.